There are many bad roofers out there. Here at Houston Roofing, we want you to be able to spot a good roofer. So we'll go over what to watch for when you need roof replacements in Spring, Texas. First, green flags. You'll want to check your roofing contractor's reviews and credentials. They should have lots of good reviews. For credentials, look on their website for things like RCAT licensing. Next, when you're talking to the salesperson, you want to ask the right questions. You should ask what brands of shingles they install, and make sure it's a good brand, like GAF, which we install. The salesperson should also give you documents or send you a link. You'll get the quote written down immediately, and they'll also send you a contract and a proposal. You also want them to explain why they think you need a roof replacement. Now, red flags. Watch out for people, aka storm chasers, who are looking for business after storms hit the greater Houston area. They're difficult to hold accountable and often use shady sales tactics. They might even say that they can get you a free roof, which is a massive no-no, as that would be committing fraud. Be sure to compare the warranties they provide too. They all sound good, but are pretty different when you look at the fine print. If you don't want to be tricked or pressured, call 832-237-3737 for an honest assessment for your Spring, Texas roof replacement from Houston Roofing.